What's up, everybody? Alan Johnson with the AJ team. First of all, hello. How are you doing? Hope everyone's going well out there. Doing awesome out there. So we have sellers sometimes see themselves and they only see their scenario. So what I'm going to do with the series of these videos is really show you like scenarios of other sellers, so you can kind of see that everyone's path is a little bit different, but everyone really wants to get to the same end. So this seller was a seller who was selling in Springfield. Mom was transitioning to a nursing home, so daughter and son-in-law hired us to sell their property. They were referred by an agent out of Outer Banks, North Carolina. So if you know of anyone who has real estate needs in the Outer Banks area, we got a really good agent relationship there. And they needed to maximize as much of their money as they possibly could because they needed the money to go towards mom's extended care at the nursing home. So the scenario when I sat down and talked with the sellers, what's the difference between updates and repairs, right? So they wanted to do a whole lot of updates on the house. The problem is when you start doing updates on a house that hasn't been updated in a while, where do you stop? So we really focused on repairs. So we really wanted to focus on the repairs, making sure that when people stepped into the house, yes, it needed to be neat and clean, but making sure that we didn't have any major repairs that needed to be taken care of. They really wanted to sell this home before January 1st. So we took a price strategy that was geared towards that. So we knew that we had a really good product. We knew that they'd taken very good care of the home. They had done all the repairs. So we priced really aggressively so we could end up getting max money and the best terms. So that sometimes seems a little bit of counter to most sellers. Most sellers think if you price high, you'll end up getting high, but actually our market in Northern Virginia is a little bit different. When you price low, right? Competition pushes you up. And then also the thing that people don't understand is these terms are just as important as your price. So if someone wants to come in and they have a litany of things that they're asking for, that will affect your bottom line, right? So we sat down, we had a strategy. We actually go to settlement today, actually go to the nursing home for settlement today. And I'm sure it's going to be emotional, but I think this is really good for you guys to kind of see that, you know, no one's path is the same path. All sellers have different needs, and we really try to do a really good job of customizing what we do for all sellers' needs. So if you're thinking about selling a home, give us a call. Alan Johnson with the AJ team. We'll see you soon.